Man City star Sergio Aguero reveals shocking admission about car crash. The Argentinian was traveling back from a concert in Amsterdam in a taxi that crashed into a post. His injury forced him to miss 4 games, including Argentina's crucial final World Cup qualifiers against Peru and Ecuador. Aguero also sat out City's 1-0 win at title rivals Chelsea, and the 29-year-old admits he was devastated about not being able to take part. "We took a cab at the hotel, and 5 minutes later, the driver was doing this weird maneuver," he said. "I was with a friend and said to him, 'I'll fasten my seat belt just in case.' But I just couldn't do it since it was sort of hidden." Related articles: Arsenal 89, is this the closest league title race of all time? Premier League Golden Boot latest odds: will Kane, Aguero or Morata come out on top? Barcelona star Lionel Messi left fuming by claim from journalist. "That's when I said, I want to kill myself." Man City star Sergio Aguero: "It was too tight, and I think that was the reason why I had my rib injured. I knew I had something going on because it hurt quite badly. I asked the doctor, can I get there by Saturday? And he did this funny face. I asked him, would it be next week? And he denied it. That's when I said, I want to kill myself." Aguero made a remarkable recovery and was back in a Manchester City shirt less than a month later as he scored in a 3-0 win over Burnley. He's been in stunning form so far this season and has scored 10 goals in total, becoming the club's all-time top goal scorer in the process. Pep Guardiola's side remain unbeaten and are 8 points clear at the top of the Premier League. They're back in action after the international break as they visit Leicester.